So this is just a quick tutorial for how to use code.org at home if you want to use it. You'll need to get your section code from your class teacher, which you'll need to type in here. And then from there you'll need to choose your name from your class list and then choose your password and click sign in. So now you can see your dashboard. So anything that's got a green circle or diamond means you completed it. Anything else means you need to have a go at it. So this one, I've already started it, but I didn't actually get around to finishing it, which is why it's got a green circle around the number 3. So I'm just going to go back and correct that now. I'm going to use the repeat block here, I think. Let's try that and see if that works. Yeah. So I've already done lesson 4, so I don't need to worry about that one. But if I click on the bar at the top, I can click on this lesson number 10, which I've not done yet. And I can have a go at that. So again, I think I'm going to use the repeat block again, just so I don't have to use as many blocks. Now I've worked out, I think, that I'm going to need to repeat 4 times. And I'm going to use another repeat block. And again, I think I've worked out that I need to use that 4 times. So let's try that and see if it works. Yeah, so I'm going to click continue. So as you can see, I've completed all the lessons in this block now. So it brings me up with some challenge lessons. I'm going to have a go at these. These are a bit harder. So this one is a debugging lesson. So let's have a go at that. It looks quite complicated. So I'm going to delete any blocks I don't need by just clicking and dragging them to the left. That'll get rid of them. Now it doesn't matter if you go wrong on this, because you can go back and you can try again. That's the whole point. It's not going to be right first time every time. And then continue. And then you've got your second challenge. I'm going to have a go at this second challenge. Again, these tend to be generally harder than the ones you've already had a go at, so I'm just going to put some blocks in and see what happens. Oh dear, Mrs Fletcher, you've got them wrong. Okay, so I think I need to delete some of these blocks. See if I can do it again. Let's get rid of those. Right, let's try west. Try again. And there we have it. Okay, so that's it. You've finished the unit.